Hijaz Hospital is a great example of this service, serving poor and deserving people for more than 30 years. It is a joint effort of Haji Animlahi Asr Late and Al-Hajj Mia Abdul Wahid Late. Hijaz Hospital, which started as a small dispensary 30 years ago, is now a 5-story hospital. All the poor, indigent, and deserving people are treated absolutely free in Hijaz Hospital. And those who are not deserving of ZAKAT, charity and ZAKAT are also treated at a reasonable cost so that their sentiments are not hurt. Praise be to God. The ZAKAT system of Hijaz Teaching Hospital is according to Sharia, which is supervised by the Sharia Board of Hijaz Hospital. An annual audit of ZAKAT is also done. We appeal to all people to donate their zakah and donations to Hijaz Hospital and support us in this mission of serving the suffering humanity. Poor people who find it difficult to eat enough are being treated here free of charge. I request you to be part of us and make this caravan stronger and stronger, so that Allah may reward us in this world and make the hereafter better because of it. Thank you so much.